Hey, seventh graders, Mrs. Linder here with an explanation for week one. Every Monday, we teachers are going to send you an email with our lesson plans. This is what mine are going to look like. So you can see seventh grade, you guys are going to have something in reading, writing, grammar, and spelling each week. Reading this week is going to be logging on to ReadWorks and reading the assigned story called The Forgotten Island. For writing, you are just going to be answering those Forgotten Island questions. On your Google Classrooms, I have posted the link and the class code for you to get on. Once you get on, the story looks like this. It has the option for you to listen or just read. When you are finished, you will click Question Set. You will answer each of these questions. Again, it will read them to you if you want, and then you will turn them in. This is our first time getting onto ReadWorks, reading an article, answering the questions, and turning it in. So if you have any hiccups in the process, please let me know and I can help you. In terms of grammar, I see that some of you have already gotten on to No Red Ink. If you're having troubles, please let me know. There is a short 5 to 10 minute assignment called Identifying Prepositions. I really just want you guys to be able to log on and understand how the program works, so the assignment is very short this week. To explain spelling, whoops, and I guess that's 8th grade, but it's the same for you guys down here. To explain spelling, I have assigned on vocabulary.com 100 words every middle schooler should know. This is our only spelling list for the entire fourth quarter. We're going to do a variety of activities with that one list, so don't panic and think I have to learn 100 spelling words in 1 week. This is a list we're going to practice, we're going to learn vocabulary, we're going to do different activities the entire time, so don't let that scare you. Each week, you'll get your lesson plan sent to you. The same types of things are going to be posted on Google Classroom, so there is no confusion. So week one, this is going to be due next Monday, April 6th. Watch my video, which we're recording right now, so there's no link. Go to ReadWorks, enter the class code, read the assigned article, answer the questions, log on and finish that Identifying Prepositions assignment, and practice spelling after getting on to vocabulary.com. The links for those are below, okay? I've had some people reach out to me with questions, comments, concerns. Please keep asking if you need help. One quick thing, I'm going to be bugging you guys. Here's a list of book reports. I know some of you have been in touch with me, and as you can see here, Piper, thank you for communicating. I know we have issues like it's in your locker, things like that. Just please let me know. I don't know unless you talk to me. With this online learning, we have to do a lot of chatting via email, via Google Classroom. Just please keep open. I will do the same, and we will hopefully be successful. Have a great first week. Please do not be overwhelmed by this. We're all in this together. Let me know what you need help with. Have a great day, guys.